there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start utilizing to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just getting through, I like that you have your phone number here and your contact us tab. That surely helps with quick conversions. You have nice pictures and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depend on the competition and the number of keywords on a homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So in your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. The first thing that you look at is your UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of these tips, it will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 143 backlinks come from 20 referring domains or websites. A backlinks anywhere you find one website linked to another via an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you are indexed for 27 keywords and getting about 38 hits to your website a month. So let's take a look at your keywords. Looks like people are searching for a business name in particular, and they're great local by intent keywords. Those are the kind of the ones that we inquiry about. The local by intent keywords are the location and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly realize them for the location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed the mechanics in your area in Google, and I see what you call the map pack in your area. And down below, it's what you call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 search on Google result page receives 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more like that a researcher interacts with your business by clicking on your URL, dial your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories, such as Yelp, Better Business Beetle, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have their click to call phone number here, request an appointment tab, some images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They're getting about 812 hits to their website a month. They have 497 backlinks coming through 103 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. People also search for their business name in particular. And they have a bit of local by intent keywords. Those are keywords you can realize in different areas that you service. In conclusion, there is a high percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now, implementing this strategy, a few ways you can start climbing Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We talk to you soon. You have a great day. Thanks for watching.